Hello students. Students, I will show you one picture. Just observe it carefully. On screen, you can see a man with a hat, coat, hand gloves and magnifying glass. By looking at him, the profession that might come to your mind is detective or a spy because detectives or spies wear such type of clothes. Now, let us see what these spies or detective does. So, on screen you can see the four things or the four basic things that spies or detective does. They observe suspect and examine records. So, we all know who is spy or who is detective, right? Who followed someone else to gather information about that person. So, how they do this? They observe the suspect. If they have doubt on some other person, they observe carefully. They follow them. Then they examine the records. They see what their background is, about their families, about their past. They participate in raids and arrests. So they help police in raids, in arrest of some criminals. Then other thing is they gather facts and collects evidence from criminal cases. Facts in the form of fingerprints you must have watched on some television shows or something. Blood samples are collected, fingerprints, mobile locations, right? Such locations or such things are collected in order to find the facts or evidence against the criminal. And what they do, they write this detail in one report, okay, on finding to search who the criminal is. So firstly they observe, then they participate in raids and arrest. They gather information, they gather facts, they gather evidences, then they write the report, right? On television you all must have seen various movies. On screen you can see four television series where you can slightly connect to the spies and all. So Southern India, the crime show, CID, then Code Red, Crime Patrol. You all must have watched this. Along with that, you all must have heard about some web shows or some movies like Agent Vinod. Uh, and there are various movies, okay, on detectives or spies. So all these things, in this those things we can see how a spy or detective follow someone, follow the suspect, okay, follow his or her schedule, what they do, what they don't do, in order to find out the details about that person, the suspect, okay, and to prove him guilty or not. So, in today's class, we are going to study about two detectives, okay, which the name of the detectives are Maya and Nishit. So, this Maya, she is sister of Nishit, and the mother is doctor by profession. This Maya and Nishit is 7-year-old boy and his pet name or nickname is Seven because Nishit means the seventh musical note. So Nishit is 7-year-old and his sister Maya is 10 years old. Okay, and they have suspect or they have doubt over the man called Mr. Nat. So they are very curious to know about him, to know why he is like that, the way he is. About that, we will learn in today's chapter. And moreover, Mr. Nath is the patient of their mother. As I told you, their mother is doctor by profession. So today we are going to study the lesson Expert Detectives by Sharda Dveri. Now I will read and everyone pay attention. On screen you have the content that I'll be reading. So everyone please pay attention. Expert Detectives, Part 1. As we walked back towards the clinic, Seven said, "He doesn't look anything like a monster, Maya. But did you see how thin he is? Maybe he's very poor and can't afford to eat." "He can't be poor if he's a crook on the run," I told him. "He's probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room." "Do you really think he's a criminal, Maya? He doesn't look like one." Nishit looked doubtful. "Of course he's one, Seven," I said. "And he certainly isn't starving. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meal up from a restaurant downstairs." "But Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he doesn't work anywhere, so how can he possibly have money to pay for food?" Nishit said. "Exactly," I exclaimed. "He must have lots of money hidden somewhere. Maybe in that trunk in his room. It's probably full of silver and gold and jewels and—" "What rubbish!" Nishal interrupted. "I know I'm right, stupid," I told him. "By the way, Seven, did you see his scars?" "I couldn't. It was too dark. But I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something." "Mummy told us quite clearly they were burnt scars," Nishit said firmly. So I read it. Now everyone read it. Read carefully and pay attention. If there are any difficult words, you can underline it and ask me whenever we meet in the class. Okay, I'm turning the page. Those who are not able to read can pause the video and read it completely. Okay, done. Now, I hope you all have read. Before I explain it to you, I have one question for you about whom Maya and Nishit are talking. So just note down the answer on your notebooks about whom Maya and Nishit are talking. I'll show you the answer. Answer is Maya and Nishit are talking about Mr. Nath. Okay, those who have got correct answer, very good students, and those who have got not got the correct answer, please note it down. Okay, I hope you are done. Now I'll explain it to you. So, on the first part or the first page that we read, okay, here, as I told you, Seven and Maya, okay, Nishit's name is Seven, correct? So Seven and Maya were going to their mother's clinic, and then they are talking on the way. They are talking about Mr. Nath, okay? So Nishit says, "Maya, do you really think he's a monster? Who is he?" He's Mr. Nath. So he says, "Maya, do you think Mr. Nath is a monster?" "Because I don't think he's a monster, because he doesn't look like. It looks like he is very poor and he don't have enough money to buy food." Okay. So to this Maya says, "No, no, 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 no. He's crook on a run. Crook on a run. Crook means the criminal." Okay, everyone note down the new word you can see in the green box on your notebook. Crook means criminal. So Maya believed that this Mr. Nath is a crook, is a criminal who is running away from police. Okay, so we have seen such, you must have seen in some television shows or web series or movies, right? So criminals, they run away from police. So similarly Maya thinks that he is running away from police too. And she says that he have a lot of money, a million of money stashed away somewhere in that room. Stashed away means hidden away. So Maya says he is not at all poor. In fact, he have a lot of money he have kept in his room. Here in this image you can see someone has kept money under the bed sheet, right? Under, you can see here under the bed sheet or the proper mattress, you can see someone has hidden money. So similarly you must have experienced it or seen someone hiding money here and there in drawers, in cupboards or some other place. Similarly she says that Mr. Nath have a lot of money, he have just hidden it somewhere. Just students take down the second new word, that is stashed away, meaning hidden away. Okay, he had hide somewhere money in his room. This is what Maya believes. So then Nishad is like, because we can see that Nishad believed that he is a poor man, right? And Maya says, no, he is a crook or he's a criminal, sorry. So Nishad says, Maya, how can you say he's a criminal? Maya, he doesn't seem criminal to me. Because Nishad is not at all convinced that he is a criminal, right? Nishad have complete different opinion about Mr. Nath. So he said, Maya, I don't think you really think so. So he have doubts. He is not sure about it, whether he is a criminal, he's a crook on run or anything. So Maya says, oh, of course, I am telling you, he is running away from police and he must have stolen something. He is not starving and all. Starving means starving means hunger. Okay, hunger. Starving means someone who don't get enough food, the ones who don't have enough money to buy food, correct? They starve. So here Maya says he is not starving at all. Then she reminds Evan that Mr. Mehta, maybe their relative or maybe someone they know, okay, who knows Mr. Nath as well as them. So whom them? Seven and Maya. So maybe neighbor of Mr. Nath or someone. So Mr. Mehta had told them that the boy called Ramesh brings meal to Mr. Nath every day from downstairs. So there is a restaurant maybe down the building, okay. From there this Ramesh gets food for Mr. Nath, okay. So this is what Mr. Mehta had told them already. So next part. So Nishad says, but Maya, Mr. Nath also told that this man, that is Mr. Nath, Mr. Mehta had already told us that he doesn't work. Mr. Nath doesn't work, right? So he says, if Mr. Nath is doesn't working, how he will have money? So this question comes to his mind. Who's Nishad? So to this, what Maya says, exactly what I have been telling you, that Mr. Nath is a crook, he is a criminal, he have robbed someone and he have ran from there. He is on run. Remember Maya said he is a crook on the run. So here also she says that he is hiding from someone because he had stolen monies, and that's why from those money he is buying that food. So Maya says, I'm sure he must be having this big trunk. You all know trunk, I'll show you. So yeah, okay, so here is a wooden trunk. This you can see on screen with some golden things in it. So Maya says he must be having this trunk in his room hidden somewhere with a lot of silver, gold and jewels. Okay, jewels are diamonds, and we have this diamonds or jewels of different colors. Okay, so she says he have a lot of money that he have stole. So Nishad doesn't believe him, because we know Nishad believe that he is poor guy who don't have enough money, and this Maya, she believes that he is a crook on the run. So they both have different view about him, right? So Seven doesn't believe it. Seven says, What are you saying? I don't believe it. You are telling rubbish. Okay, so he doesn't believe her. So she says, I am right and I know that. So she's elder sister, no? So she have this. I am correct. Whatever I am telling is correct and you should listen to me. So she tells Nishat, whatever I am telling you is correct. Okay, believe me. And then she tells him, have you seen the scars on his face? Now, I'll show you scars image. Here you can see scars, okay, mark on face of that guy, right? You had seen in this image. So she says, have you seen the scars, the marks on his face? She says maybe he got them during shootout. What is shootout? If you have seen the television shows like CID or Crime Patrol or Savdan India, then you must have seen this. Even in movies where you have police, movies like Singham, Simba, in those movies also you must have seen encounter between police and the criminals, right? Firing and all. So similarly, she says during such thing, during the encounter or during a shootout, when he was running, police fired something on him. That's why he got those marks on his face. This is what Maya believes. So then Nishan reminds her that remember, mother told that he got those scars from burn. So he have burned somewhere, he have burned his face somewhere, and that's why he have got the scars. So see on screen you can see this image. So such on the face of this man you can see, right, scars. Such scars you get when you burn, okay, your face or any part. Even at home you all must have seen some or other time the scars of burning. So similarly, um, this Nishat reminds her that remember Mama told that he got that from burn. Okay, he have burned his face somewhere and that's why he got it. Students, I don't know how many of you have seen movie Chapak of Deepika Padukone, okay, where she have depicted the life of acid attack survival Lakshmi. So in that movie you can see the scars of burning because acid, they had thrown the acid on her face and because of that she had gone burn marks on her face. Even during shows like Crime Patrols and all, you must have seen this, someone just throwing acids, which is not really good practice or not good thing to do. There is a crime, but you all must have seen such things, right? Then you get burn mark on your skin. So similarly, even Mr. Nath has got those marks on his face because of burning and not because of shootout. This is what Nishat tells to Maya. Okay. So in today's class, we studied about Mr. Nath. Okay. He is a patient of Maya and Nishat's mother, who is doctor by profession. Maya believes that Mr. Nath is a crook or criminal and he looks like a monster. And Nishat says that he is very poor guy. Then Maya's opinion, as I told you, Maya believes that Mr. Nath is a crook or a criminal who is on run, who is hiding himself from police, correct? And he have a lot of money that he have stole from somewhere and he have hidden it in his room. He have a lot of gold and silver and jewels that he has kept in a trunk. This is what Maya believes. Maya also believed that the marks or scars on face of Mr. Nath is because of shootout, that since she believed that he's a criminal, during shootout Mr. Nath got those marks. This is what Maya believes, okay? And then we also saw how Nishat opinionated or what he told about Mr. Nath. So Nishat doesn't agree with Maya, okay? So he tells Maya that I think he's very poor guy who don't have enough money to buy food. So because of that he looks like that. And those scars are of burns, okay? Burning scars are those on his face. So then Maya also questions that Nishat, since Nishat says that he don't have enough money or he don't have enough food to eat, Maya says then remember Mr. Mehta told us that he gets money from he gets a boy called Ramesh get food for him. To this, Nishad says, but he don't have money. He doesn't work. That's what my Mr. Mehta had told us. So if Mr. Nath is not working, how he will have money? So this give chance to Maya to say that whatever Maya was saying was correct, and that he's a crook or he's a robber who has stole money and is hiding from police. And that's why he's spending those money on the food, okay, which Ramesh gets for him from the restaurant downstairs. I hope whatever part I told or explained in today's class, you all have understood it. Now I'll show some questions on the board, on the screen, sorry, and just take down the question, try to answer them, and then I'll tell you the correct answer. So answer the following questions. First, who get meal for Mr. Nath? Second, how old is Nishit and Maya? So you have two questions on screen. Take it down on your notebook. Okay, so who get meal for Mr. Nath? This is the first question. I hope you all have written down the answer. If not, just write down the answer, whatever you remember from the part that I explained today. Who get meal for Mr. Nath? What is the name of the person who gets meal for Mr. Nath? I hope you all have written the answer. I am showing the answer on screen. Answer, Ramesh gets meal for Mr. Nath from restaurant downstairs. So those who have not written the answer correctly, please note down the answer, and those who have written the answer, keep as it is. Okay. So who get meal for Mr. Nath? Ramesh gets meal for Mr. Nath from restaurant downstairs. Okay, now second question, how old is Nishit and Maya? I hope you all have written the answer. If not, answer is Nishit is 7 years old and Maya is 10 years old. If you have got the answer correctly, please keep as it is, otherwise note it down. So Nishad is younger to Maya. Maya is 10 years old and Nishad is 7 years old, and the nickname or the pet name of Nishad is 7 because Nishad means the seventh note of music or seventh musical note. Okay, now you have fill in the blanks. Just take it down. 3 fill in the blanks you have. Just note it down. The real name of 7 is dash. The name of Nishit's sister is dash. Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is a dash. Once you write it down, just write the answer as well. Okay, so the real name of 7 is Nishad. Now those who have got answer correctly, very good. And those who haven't got answer correctly, please note it down. The real name of 7 is Nishad. The name of Nishad's sister is the other detective who is curious about Mr. Nath along with Nishad is his sister. What is name of his sister? Maya. Those who got correct answer, very good. And those who haven't got, please note it down. The name of Nishad's sister is Maya. And the last one, Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is a dash. Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is a dash. I hope you all have written down the answer on your notebook. Let's see what's the correct answer. Answer is crook or criminal. You can also say she believes that he's like Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is a robber because she says he have lot of money, right? So robber is the one who robs money, who steals money, right? So you can say crook, criminal, robber, anything. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you all understood whatever I told in today's class. Okay, so homework for you all is write about Nishad's opinion on Mr. Nath. Till the part whatever we have read or I have explained in today's class, I discussed about Nishad's opinion, I discussed about Maya's opinion, and I also discussed about Mr. Nath. So whatever Nishad believe about Mr. Nath, or whatever opinions he have about him, please note it down. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you.